Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to install Docker in the Amazon Linux 2023. Okay, so you can type sudo yum install -y docker to install the Docker in Amazon Linux 2023 or any Amazon Linux. Okay, you can see the Docker is installing. Okay, and the Docker is successfully installed in the Amazon Linux 2023. You can type docker to check the Docker is installed or not. Okay, you can see we are able to get the Docker help command. So Docker is successfully installed. Also, you can check the version of Docker using version. Okay, you can see Docker version 24.0.5 is installed. So this is how you can install the Docker in the Amazon Linux 2023. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.